This is the second video of our dynamic voltage restorer kit. In previous video I'll give introduction about this kit. By switch on this kit I give supply to the auxiliary supply to this kit. As you can see here, the initial voltage is applied to the kit at this point. Now we have applied 48 voltage, and in this video I will show the operation of this kit. As you can see here, the switch position is in V in voltage, so this meter will show the input voltage. So right now I am increasing voltage, so as you can see the voltage is increasing. So the range of this kit is set such that the 170 volt to 270 volt. So now I am set the voltage is 190 volt and I am turning this system on. Channel 1 shows the input voltage, channel 2 shows the output voltage, and channel 3 shows the injected voltage. Right now our voltage is 186 and the output voltage is 220 volt. Means the difference voltage is injected through this internal transformer. So the voltage is injected in the system is in phase with the input voltage. So right now I am increasing the voltage beyond the set voltage, means I am increasing voltage beyond 220 volt. So as you see on DSO, the output voltage is constant, input voltage is yellow one, and the injected voltage is out of the phase voltage to the input voltage. That means the over voltage is subtract from the system. So by subtracting the voltage we make output voltage 220 volt constant. In this kit we provided over voltage tripping and under voltage tripping. So I am increasing the voltage beyond its range the tripping occurs. You can see here the system over voltage trip, and the system will not on beyond the voltage input voltage. If I will reduce the input voltage in the range of its range, so the system is on. It will take 10 seconds. So now I am going to under voltage. So you can see here the under voltage trip. So now we show the over current trip as we increase